Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a video to demonstrate how to fix the ETT using the Neofit ETT holder or the Neobar. So to start the process, the nurse needs to prepare 3 pieces of tagadam. Tamam? So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Which one? The face? Oh, no. So this is 1, 2, 3 pieces of tagadam. So the first, you fix the first takadam on one of the cheek, like this.
Can you give me
Okay, and I will talk. So you put the first side on the cheek, and try not to cover the mouth. You'll put the second one on other cheek. Then you put another tagadam on the upper lip. Then you take the ETT holder or Neobar, and it's composed of the main holder and 2 lollipop. So first you open the wrapper that will be wrapped on the. Take it and open it. You open the wrapper. Then you can see that there is 2 covers. You take them out and you try to start in the middle and then strap one of them to be fixed. So you do like this. You do the other side. Once you did, then you wrap it over. You stick the ETT in its place, and then you wrap the strapper over the ETT. Then you take the lollipop on each side, make sure it's fixed. Maybe it's the other way. Maybe it's the other way. Yeah, it's the other way. It's okay. Okay. Then you take the lollipop. Yeah. So open one. Take the adhesive cover, stick it on the main, and then move it to the anterior of the ear. Do the other side. Okay, give it time to stick. And then you can see that it sticks very well, and you will never accidentally extubate. Okay, and you can see also if you put a heavyweight devices and tools over the ETT, it will not be on the baby. So that's why it will not be pulled in or pushed in or pulled out, because it will be on the Neobar. Thank you very much. خلينا نشوف